Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to demonstrate how to configure a DHCP server on Windows Server 2016. DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. A DHCP server automatically assigns IP addresses to devices on a network. So first, you want to install a DHCP server. In your server manager, you go and manage, then you add rules and features. Just going to maximize the window here. Okay, continue the installation like we did before, and then you add server rules. You add your DHCP server, you add features. Alright, next, and then start installation. Once the DHCP server is installed, you could start configurations. In your start bar, you go on Administrative Tools. A window will pop up and you'll see DHCP, you double click that. Here you'll be able to configure your DHCP server. You see IPv4 and IPv6. We are using IPv4. And you want to add a new scope. So you right click and then you click add a new scope. The scope wizard will pop up. You click next. You see where you have to enter the scope name here. It is best to name your scope with the first 3 octets of a network so that it will be easily identifiable. Alright, so we're going to enter it here. So we're going to enter it here, network 192.168.100, and we're just going to add a description. Next, you want to put in your IP address range. This will be the range of IP addresses will be assigned to that scope. Addresses will be assigned with the numbers between the first or the start IP address and the end IP address. So for my first or my start IP address, I chose to go with 192.168.100.1. The network portion will be the same, and I ended at 30. After that's done, you click next. You see the least duration. This is the number of time the IP addresses will be assigned for. We're not doing that, so you click next. Then you configure DHCP options. We're not doing anything with that. You also click on next, next again, next again, and yes, you want to activate the scope now, and then you click finish. Okay, now, so seeing that we configured DHCP on our server, now we have to ensure that the client has DHCP enabled. On command prompt of your Windows 10, you type in the command ipconfig/all and you hit enter. This will give you a list of your network configurations. As you can see here, DHCP is not enabled, so you have to go into your network and sharing center. On your Ethernet status, you click on properties. Here I am prompted to put in my administrator and password. On Ethernet properties, you click on Internet Protocol version 4. As you can see here, it was static before. So now you want to click on obtain an IP address automatically. Then you hit OK. Right, let's go back into the command line. And you put in the command ipconfig/all again and see if there's any changes. As you could see, yes, DHCP is enabled. And the IPv4 address is now 192.168 and what? 100.1. And that's it for today.